Hey guys, welcome to Quick 4K. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Instagram live option not showing. So first things first, you need to verify the requirements. So ensure that your account is public. So simply go ahead and open your Instagram just like that. And now ensure that your account is public. As you can see, mine is private. So in order to turn that off, click on the triple lines icon and scroll down until you find account privacy. Click on that and click on this toggle button to turn it off. So once you've done that, what you want to do is update the application. If the application is not updated, simply go ahead into your app store and then click on the search bar. And once you've done that, search for Instagram, just like that, and check if there is any update. If there is an update, there's going to be a blue update button right over here. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is go ahead and clear cache. In order to clear cache, open your app store and then click on the top right profile icon and then scroll a little bit and click on personalized recommendation and click on clear app usage data, just like that. It is as simple as that. Now, the final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check if you have a good network connection. And what you want to do is also reset your network settings. So open your settings, scroll down until you find general, scroll down until you find transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and then click on reset network settings. Enter your password, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.